How to find clipboard history on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to find clipboard history on Windows 11. Without further ado, let's get started. Right click on the Start icon at bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. If you don't find this way, click on the search icon at bottom left corner of the screen. And here you can simply type in Settings and find the settings. Open it. Now go to System from the side menu. Scroll down. Now you will see the option of Clipboard. Click on it. You will land on the section where you will see Clipboard History at top of the screen. Make sure to toggle the button on if it is toggled off in this way. Now, in order to view your Clipboard History and paste from it, you can simply press the Windows logo key and plus V to view your Clipboard History. So simply let's exit from the section and at once you need to press Windows button and V. And here you will see all your clipboard history. Currently I don't have any history. If you have any, you will successfully see and view your clipboard history on Windows 11. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.